Hey YouTube, this is Lewis with Rosebud's Travels. We're at Ikea shopping for containers to organize our brand new casita. Katy is gathering up all these containers and she's figuring out all the sizes that would work for all the different compartments in our casita. So it's kind of interesting. There's a whole bunch of containers in this section at Ikea. And she looked it up online and she found out that the sizes were ones that are appropriate for what we're looking for.
Now you should look at my paperwork here. Okay, that opening is 9 7/8 high, so that'll work in it. And it's 15 3/4 wide. Dog food. Live for dog food. Okay, and all of these are free refrigerator. And a couple for the freezer if we need them.
Containers for the freezer and the refrigerator. And dog food.
There's supposed to be kind of a tall one that I was thinking would be really good to keep the water bottle from bouncing around. I have to see if I can find it. You see a tall, narrow one?
Probably here. This one's tall.
No, it's not tall. It's not square and tall. It's rectangular and tall. I'm looking for a square, tall square. That height is square. Maybe this one. Will this fit in a 6x9 space?
Looks like.
That's it. I'm going to see if that fits the water picture.
Looks
Right.
like we're successful in getting some of our containers. At least some of them.
Then I want a few of the lids that fit this size. I think 2 should be enough. They're mostly going to be open containers. Okay. All right. That takes care of the refrigerator and the dog food.
Is that it?
Not well for this maybe. I was trying to decide. Oh yeah. I was going to get one of these because these can be used for cooking, for heating stuff up in a microwave. It's a silicone lid, and you use it on top of one of those containers. So that'll work with all the containers. Oh, and by the way, Ikea provides a free little ruler so you can measure things. So
yes, they provide a ruler to measure things.
And the other thing I was going to look and see that if I could figure out something that would work for coffee. So, but I don't know where it is. So why don't you turn that off while I look?
Okay.
The tag so you can know. Okay. So this is a coffee container. See?
Yep.
Really cool.
So, and the tag
Nice rectangular.
is there. Okay.
There we go. Airtight.
Yep. Okay. So we're going to get Ikea washcloths because they have a hang tag on them and they dry real fast.
Their towels come with, I think, a hang tag too, but I already have towels.
Okay,
So
that sounds good. Okay,
but it's just really cool.
that sounds good. I'm getting 2 washcloths.
What is this? looks like it could be a dishpan. Huh, kind of short for a dishpan. But I like it. Okay. Storage box, it says. I say short dishpan.
We're looking for organizational things for the closet, I think.
Look at that. It has little pockets. Okay, where is the actual thing? We'll get the navy one. That'll look cute. See, it has like two little things. We'll put our clothes storage in there. Our little clothes baggies. Cool. Okay. We didn't make the boxes coordinate though.
There's a lint roller.
What?
Lint
I already
roller.
got a lint roller. With Sam and Max, we're gonna need them. Shoe stretcher. Yeah, they have fancier ones, but I didn't think that would work very well for us. But I do like the idea of this little thing across. Maybe I'll sew something across the front of ours. Just put a lip so it can come over.
Okay, that's
That
cool.
music in the background is going to annoy you. Look,
Yeah,
and it's only like $4. And this can go right inside the door,
that'll work.
catch the dirt from the dogs.
That'll work.
And I just realized there's a couple things I wanted to see in the bathroom area.
Okay.
Nifty little set of storage boxes for the bathroom. And it'll fit in the bottom of the cabinet. That'll be good for that. And then I think they have single ones too, but if not.
That's for storage in the bathroom?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Here's the other ones. Let's see. The dimensions on that are not seen. Okay, 7.5. Height, width 5.5. I gotta check my list and make sure it'll work. It will work under the sink. That's for under the sink too. I have a list. Okay. Those are suction cups.
Mm-hmm.
How much for these boxes? I think I want 2 of those. I'm spending too much on stuff. but
No
it
joke.
Should be good.
Got a whole basket full of stuff here.
Okay. And now,
We're going to be really organized.
somewhere, the home organization department, there are self-adhesive hooks that look like they would be really good. Oh my goodness, what is that? Well, I don't think I want to get them yet, but those are cute. This is all suction.
I see it. It's all
Is that
suction
cool?
cups. Yeah.
And look at all the pretty colors.
Yep.
Okay. And this is a towel hanging rack,
Yep.
but it's metal, so it's too heavy. Oh, this is oh, that's glass. I don't know. packages. Make sure they can see what this is. It's a hook.
It's
And
a
it's
hook
self-adhesive.
that sure is.
And it looks like it sticks really well.
Yeah. And they're only 99 cents for 3 of them.
So I'm going to get 6. Who knows? I
Yeah.
might need them.
There you go.
Okay.
Adhesive hooks.
I think I've done enough damage for a bit.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take off.
Empty our pockets.
Yeah, we'll have to write a big check or something. We had a basket full of organizational stuff for the Casita.
Okay, but that doesn't look very good. Let's roll up the little rug. We're going to get out of here with about 3 minutes to spare.
Yep, they're closing.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, so we got this other thing that is fabric boxes, and they come in 3 different sizes, and they'll fit in the hanging organizing thing, so it'll organize the closet even more. And what they look like is, they look like this. So now we're really leaving, I think. At least we're walking toward the exit. Unless she sees something else that she likes, and then might have to stop, put on the brakes. Never know. But Ikea's about to close, so they're going to kick us out.
That's going to save you.
Yeah, it'll save me a little money. Okay, we're checking out and we're going home. So, and then we'll have all this stuff to organize the Casita. Good night.